What is critical legal studies? Have you ever wondered how the law interacts with society and power? Today, we are going to discuss critical legal studies, a movement that emerged in the United States during the 1970s. This movement challenges the idea that law is neutral or objective. Instead, it argues that law often serves to maintain existing social hierarchies and power structures. Critical legal studies scholars claim that laws can reflect and reinforce biases against marginalized groups. This means that rather than promoting justice or equality, laws can preserve the status quo. At its core, critical legal studies seeks to expose the ambiguity in legal rules. It shows that supposedly impartial legal principles can lead to different outcomes based on social, economic, and political contexts. The movement aims to reveal how legal decisions are influenced by historical and social factors. It promotes transparency in legal processes, encouraging more socially responsible engagement with the law. Critical legal studies is considered the first legal theory movement in the United States to adopt a left-wing political stance. It focuses on transforming society to be more egalitarian by addressing hidden interests and class domination within liberal legal institutions. Some leading figures in critical legal studies have sought to reimagine legal institutions. They do not see them merely as neutral arbiters but as potential sites for creating more just social arrangements. From a libertarian perspective, which emphasizes individual liberty and limited government, critical legal studies present significant challenges. Libertarians typically view the law as a framework to protect individual rights and property. They see the law as a way to ensure justice through clear and predictable rules. The critique from critical legal studies that law is inherently political may be seen by libertarians as an overemphasis on social conflict. This perspective risks undermining the stability and neutrality that are essential for protecting individual liberty. Moreover, libertarians might argue that the focus on collective social power and skepticism toward legal formalism could lead to excessive judicial activism. This activism threatens legal certainty and personal freedom. While critical legal studies calls for transparency and social responsibility, libertarianism stresses that legal systems should primarily safeguard voluntary interactions and property rights. Libertarians would caution against adopting reforms inspired by critical legal studies that expand state power. They advocate for a legal system that limits government interference and respects individual autonomy. They support clear and objective legal rules that apply equally to all, rather than flexible doctrines that could advance particular political agendas. In essence, critical legal studies critiques law as a tool of social power and inequality. It aims to reveal hidden biases and promote social change. While it highlights important social issues from a libertarian viewpoint, its approach conflicts with the principles of individual rights and limited government that are essential for a just legal order.